In the latest from Jammu and Kashmir, 12 days after the flash floods in the state, the anger against the Omar government is now growing rapidly, with garbage strewn all over the place, animal carcasses left unattended. The Omar government's administration is yet to do the clean-up job. Angry residents say that they fear the spread of epidemic in these flood-hit areas. Our reporter Fareed visited Bemina, the heart of Srinagar, to give us the harsh realities of the ground situation there.
I'm in the Bemina area of Srinagar, and let me straight away take you to yet another example of the government's failure to take control of the situation. Now, there's already a big fear of an epidemic breaking out in the Srinagar city, and as you can see, this is the dairy farm area, and still there are around 300 to 400 dead cows in this area. And this area, let me also tell you, is not inaccessible. This is right on the roadside, and still there is no one from the government who has come in to really take care of these dead animals, because if they are not taken care of in the next 24 hours, they will definitely lead to a big epidemic here in the Srinagar city. Now, these are around 300 to 400 cows, and let me tell you, we can't even stand here. The smell is so bad, and in fact, anyone who passes from this area is under serious threat of catching some disease or the other. Already experts have warned that there is a serious threat of cholera, hepatitis and all other waterborne, airborne diseases if immediately steps are not taken to take care of the situation. But this is the state of affairs. I'll ask Sajad, my cameraman, to just show you how pathetic the condition on the ground is. These cows have been here dead. Their carcasses have been here from the last 7-8 days, ever since the flood waters ravaged this area. But still, no one from the administration, no one from the municipality has really come here and taken care of them. This really shows the sad state of affairs and the governance that is right now in place here. Absolutely no governance, not even minimal functionality that the Umar Abdullah government has come back to. This really is the sad state of affairs here in Srinagar. With cameraman Sajad, Mir Fareed, Bemina Times Now.
करेगा इधर ये
कितने दिनों से ये यहाँ मरी पड़ी?
तो इनको बहुत, जब यहाँ आ गए ना बारिश, तब से ये मर गए। सैलाब आया है, तब से ये मर गया। इधर से
कोई नहीं उठा रहा है,
कोई नहीं उठा।
मुश्किल हो रहा है यहाँ से चलना।
तो यहाँ तो बदबू आता है इनसे कसम। आप ही देखो क्या हालत।
बीमार हो गए कुछ तो?
और कहो, बहुत आदमी बीमार हो गए।
अच्छा, आपने बोला था किसी को यहाँ उठाने? कोई
तो बोला कोई नहीं आ रहा है, कोई नहीं, वो अपनी मजे से लेता है।
कोई स्टेप नहीं, कोई भी। एक तो यहाँ पे ये है, इसके बगैर भी आप देखिए स्टेट गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से कोई भी रेस्क्यू टीम कुछ नहीं आया। पिछले 7 दिनों से यही सरकार कह रही है कि म्यूनिसिपैलिटी वालों को हमने हिदायत दिए हैं कि वो इनको हटाएं, लेकिन आज तक कोई नहीं देखा। यहाँ पे पैरामिलिट्री फोर्सेस बैठे हुए हैं, उनको लगाइएगा अगर नहीं है तो। यहाँ पे स्टेट डिजास्टर रेस्क्यू फोर्स था तो कहाँ पे है वो?
आप ये बताइए कितनी गाय यहाँ जो है?
तकरीबन आपने देखा यहाँ पे जितनी भी इनके पास स्टॉक था, तकरीबन मेरे ख्याल से 300 से लेके 350 तक हो सकते हैं। आप खुद भी देख रहे हैं, आप देखिए
कितना मुश्किल हो रहा है आसपास।
बहुत सी बीमारियां हो सकती हैं, जैसे आप इसके बगैर भी फ्लड से जैसे वाटर बोर्न डिजीज हो सकते हैं, इससे तो और भी हो सकता है। हमारे बच्चे गैर महफूज हैं, उनके लिए कोई असिस्टेंस नहीं पहुंच रही है।
As far as I am concerned, I think the primary task of the government should be, to evacuate the dead animals. At the moment I'm in the area where this there is every likelihood of the epidemic because of these dead animals. The primary concern, the primary task of the government should be to evacuate these animals.
Nothing is happening.
Nothing is happening. I didn't see anybody from the administration. This is very unfortunate.